Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about multiplication rules in probability. So when we talk about multiplication rules, there are two conditions. One is independent events, the other one is dependent events. If you want to calculate the probability of event A and B, then you have to multiply probability of A and probability of B. If you have two dependent events, that means the occurring of the first event is affected to the occurring of the second event, then those two events are dependent. So in that case, probability of A and B equals probability of A times probability of B given A. So let's see this example. A box contains 3 red balls, 2 blue balls, and 5 white balls. A ball is selected and its color noted. A second ball is selected and its color noted. Find the probabilities. Part A, probability of selecting 2 balls. Part B, probability of selecting 1 ball, 1 blue ball, and then 1 white ball. And part C is probability of selecting 1 red ball and then 1 blue ball. So here I'm going to consider two different situations with replacement. So if you replace the first ball and then select the second ball, then those two events are independent. If you select the first ball and without replacing it, you pick the second ball. So that means those two events are dependent. So we are going to find these three probabilities under these two conditions. So let's look at the first one. So as you can see, we have 3 red balls, 3 red, 2 blue balls, and 5 white. So we have total 10 balls. Okay, so let's find probability of getting blue ball and then another blue ball. So here with replacement, and those are independent events, so I can use this formula. Probability of blue in the first ball and the probability of the second ball. So as you can see, probability of blue, we have 2 blue balls. So out of 10, we have 2 blue balls times, since this is with replacement, again in the box we have 10 balls and also we have 2 blue balls. So then multiply these two, which is 4 over 100, which is 1 over 25. So let's look at the without replacement. Here the two events are dependent. So probability, first ball is blue and the second ball is blue. So here you have to use this formula. Probability of first ball is blue times probability of second ball is blue, given that the first ball is blue, right? So here, initially we have 10 balls. There are 2 blue balls. So probability of the first ball is 2 over 10. But in this case, without replacement, right? So we don't replace the first ball, then you have total 9 balls in the box. And also you have only 1 blue ball, right? So then this is 2 over 90, which is 1 over 45. So let's look at this second probability, selecting 1 blue ball and then 1 white ball. So that means probability, first ball is blue and the second ball is white. This one equals probability. So with replacement, you can use probability of the first ball times probability of the second ball, which is, in the box we have 10 balls. There are 2 blue balls. And then with replacement, so again we have 10 balls for the second choice. And how many of them are white? We have 5 white balls. So this one is 10 over 100, which is 1 over 10. Now without replacement. So let's calculate probability B and blue and white equals probability blue and then probability white given first ball is blue. So this one equals probability of blue. Initially you have 10 balls and 2 of them are blue balls times this one. Now without replacement. So in the box we have 9 balls. Out of 9 balls, how many of them are white? We have 5 white balls. So this is equals 10 over 90, which is 1 over 9. Okay, let's look at the final one. Selecting one red ball and then one blue ball. Probability red and then blue, which is with replacement probability red times probability blue. So in this case, probability red. So in the box, we have 10 balls. How many of them are red? 3 red balls times with replacement. So we have 10 balls for the second selection. And how many of them are blue? We have 2 blue balls. So this is 6 over 100, which is 3 over 50. And then without replacement, probability red and then blue equals probability red times probability blue given the first ball is red. So this one is, initially you have 10 balls. How many of them are red? 3 red balls times, now without replacement. So we have 9 balls in the box. Out of 9 balls, how many of them are blue? 2 blue balls, right? So this is equals 6 over 90, which is 1 over 15. So this is how you calculate the probabilities with independent events and dependent events. So I hope you understand this one. If you have any questions, please comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.